Okay, so we are back in the packet on page 258, 258. We're looking here at this section. It says, Delia's mom is asking her daughter if she's done all the things she was supposed to do this afternoon. Write Delia's answers to her mom's questions using the correct preterite form of the verb and the correct direct object pronoun. Okay, so we have Delia. Ya lavaste la ropa. So did you already wash the clothes? So she's going to answer C, and she's going to say, I washed it. Okay, so you're going to put C first. Don't forget your accent on the I. And then go ahead and put the ya. And then she's going to say, I washed it. Now the it here we're talking about is the clothes. It's singular and feminine, so we're going to use la. So you should have Delia, ya, la, and then we have to change this to, yes, I washed it. So we're going to use lave, L-A-V-E, and put an accent on your E. Don't forget a period, okay? Y compraste el pan para la cena. So did you buy the bread for dinner? Now she's supposed to answer no here. So we're going to go ahead and put no, comma, no. Okay, and then we're going to say, no, I didn't buy it. Now, the it I'm talking about here is el pan, which is masculine and singular. So you're going to put no, lo, and then you're going to say compré, C-O-M-P-R-E, accent on the E. No, lo compré. No, I didn't buy it. Okay, cortaste el césped. Did you cut the grass? She's supposed to say yes. So we're going to say, sí, I cut it. Okay, the it we're talking about here is el césped, so you're going to use the direct object pronoun lo. So you're going to say, sí, lo corté. So yes, I cut it. Okay, sí, lo corté, C-O-R-T-E, accent on the E. Okay, y ayudaste a tu papá con el carro. So, and did you help your dad with the car? She's going to say sí. Okay, sí, and we're going to say sí, I helped him. Okay, so we're going to say sí, him, so it's going to be lo, and then I helped is ayudé. So sí, lo, ayudé, A-Y-U-D-E, accent on the E. Okay, limpiaste tu cuarto? Did you clean your room? She's going to say no. So we're going to say no. Room here, and that's singular and masculine, so you're going to use lo. So no, lo, limpié. L-I-M-P-I-E, accent on the E. We had a lot of trouble with this when we were doing the exercise, so I hope we've kind of gotten it figured out now. I hope that helps you understand it here. Okay. All right, this is our last listening section here. Okay, Hector is asking some questions. Find the logical answer and write the letter of your choice. So we say, sí, Luz habló mucho. So yes, Luz talked a lot. No, pero miré la televisión. No, but I watched television. Bailó con su amigo Luisa. I danced with my friend Luisa. Estudió para el examen de español. This would be he, she, or you formal studied for the Spanish test. Sí, la lave para ayudar a mi mamá. Okay. Probably talking about clothes here. It doesn't say specifically yet though. I'll have to listen to the question, but it'll be, yes, I washed something to help my mother. And then, sí, la lava mi hermano todos los días. So again, yes, I wash it. My brother washed it. It could be, I don't have enough information right now to translate it clearly for you, but every day. It'll be in the question when I ask it. Okay, then we have sí, lo compraron en la levería. So yes, they bought, or you, plural, bought, and it's, again, we don't know what it is because it's just the pronoun, something at the bookstore. And then no lo compré. So no, I didn't buy it. Okay. Juan played the guitar. Maria and Gloria, afterwards, they took a break. Okay? All right. I'm going to read the questions for you, and you pick either A or B. Okay? Hablaste por teléfono anoche. Hablaste por teléfono anoche. Número 2. ¿Qué hizo Juan ayer? ¿Qué hizo Juan ayer? Número 3. Lavaste la ropa anteayer. Lavaste la ropa anteayer. Número 4. Compraste el pastel para la fiesta. Compraste el pastel para la fiesta. Número 5. ¿Quiénes nacerán el día de la independencia? ¿Quiénes nacerán el día de la independencia? All right, we're going to be looking at, sorry, lo siento. Oh, all right, let's be looking here at this reading section. Read Mary Lou's letter to her best friend. Then answer the questions on page 260. Querida Sarah, so that's like Dear Sarah. Quiero decirle lo que pasa en mi fiesta de quinceañera. Okay, so I wanted to tell you what happened at my quinceañera, so birthday. Muchas personas vinieron. Mis abuelos que viven en San Marcos. Okay, many people came. My grandparents that live in San Marcos. Tía Anita, so Aunt Anita, y tío Pablo, Uncle Pablo, y mis primos de San Antonio, my cousins from San Antonio, y todos mis amigos de la escuela, and all my friends from school. Mis padrinos también vinieron y me regalaron un collar fantástico. Okay, and this is her godparents also came, and they gifted her a fantastic necklace. Decoramos la casa con muchos globos y otras decoraciones. We decorated the house with a lot of balloons and other decorations. Mi mamá preparó mucha comida y una amiga de ella la ayudó. So my mother prepared a lot of food, and a friend of hers helped. Tocamos muchos discos compactos. So we had a lot of CDs, especialmente de la música de Selena, especially music from Selena. Jose y yo bailamos toda la noche. Lo pasamos muy bien. So Jose and I danced all night. We had a very good time. Pues tengo que irme. ¿Cuándo vas a visitar a tus abuelos? Después van a Dallas a visitarme. So, well, I have to go. When are you going to visit your grandparents? Later, come to Dallas and visit me. Tu mejor amiga para siempre. Your best friend forever, for always. Mary Lou. All right, so go ahead, and these questions you can answer in English. So I read it for you, I translated it. You go ahead and answer the questions. Okay. Let's go ahead and look here at the writing section. We need to write 5 sentences saying what you, your family, and your friends did yesterday to prepare for the party. Use the pictures as clues. So since it was yesterday, we need to use the preterite tense. Okay, let's look at number 11. Número 11. Yo, she's decorating the cake. So we're going to say yo. What verb would you use? You're going to use decorar. If it's going to be yo decoré. You remember the word for cake? El pastel. So yo decoré el pastel. Make sure you put an accent on the E. Okay. Mi abuelo. What is he doing? Yep. You might say limpio la cocina. So he's cleaning the kitchen, or cleaned the kitchen. My grandfather cleaned the kitchen. Mi abuela limpió la cocina. Okay. Mis amigos y yo. And we are blowing up balloons. So inflamos los globos. Inflamos los globos. Número 14. Mis hermanos. You should be saying send, right? Mandaron las invitaciones. Mandaron las invitaciones. Okay. And she's vacuuming there. Tú, remember the word for vacuum? Pasaste la aspiradora. Pasaste la aspiradora. Okay. That is the packet over chapter 10. Be sure to email me if you have questions. Oh, I meant to go ahead and remind you that you can send this to me, or maybe you annotated in Cami. Either way is fine.